This video takes you deep into the workshop at the headquarters of SIRUI. Immersive experience lens from rough glass all the way to assembly and molding. First of all, let's take the machining process of a cylindrical mirror as an example. Get a feel for the lens making process of the SIRUI lens. Controlling the peripheral geometry of a substrate with a precision engraving machine. After determining the shape of the perimeter of the substrate, the lenses are then fixed by the jig of the flat milling machine. Separate the upper and lower surfaces of the lens. Machining to achieve specified curvature and surface roughness. The flat milled lens is mounted on a jig for precise positioning. The motor-driven grinding wheel in the profiling machine transforms the lens surface, further processing to the specified curvature. Finally, the profiled lenses are polished with an abrasive machine. Precision grinding and polishing with different grid sizes of diamond pellets, further enhancement of the precision of the curvature of the lens surface. Achievement of polishing requirements, and for the production of aspheric lenses, SIRUI has also broken through the large diameter glass aspheric molding technology. Molding of aspheric lenses. The softened glass is put into a high-precision mold. Under heated and pressurized and anaerobic conditions, one-time direct molding meeting the requirements for use, like the newly released Aurora 85mm f1.4 from SIRUI, due to the breakthrough of large diameter glass aspheric molding technology, so the lens can be made lighter. After finishing, to prevent scratches and bruises on the lenses during the follow-up process, you can see that the lens the worker is measuring has been coated with a protective lacquer. The follow-up cleaning team will use an ultrasonic cleaning machine, cleaning off the protective paint with chemical reagents and the surface roughness and curvature of the lens to meet the requirements specified in the drawings. After each process, all need to go through the testing process to ensure the quality of the finished product. Professionalism, standardized processes, and advanced equipment are essential. SIRUI is equipped with the ultra-high precision 3D measuring instrument U83P, accuracy up to 0.01 micrometers, laser detection of stylus movements through focusing, high-precision scanning measurement of lenses with ultra-low measuring force, ultra-microscopic detection of surface shape deviations in lenses, so that products that can be accurately detected. It's the only way to be made perfect. These inspected lenses are sent to the ultrasonic cleaning plant. Use of ultrasonic cleaners. Using chemicals to clean lenses. Because of the increasingly stringent quality requirements for optical lenses, coating and assembly process standards continue to improve. Therefore, the cleaning process is especially critical and important in lens processing. Coating is an extremely important part of the lens process. SIRUI is equipped with the OTFC 1300 vacuum coating machine from Optical technology. For different lenses in the lens, all must be based on the lens material and the degree of absorption of different colors of light, separately coated with the permeation enhancement films with different characteristics. On the one hand, it increases the total light transmission of the lens. On the other hand, the transmittance of colored light is balanced. Reduced light reflection. Eliminate external reflections or glare ghosting. Before lens assembly, the gluing step is also very important. It utilizes photosensitivity adhesive to make 2 or more lenses, in accordance with certain technical requirements, glued into an optical component. Reuse of UV curing. This improves face quality, reduces the light energy loss. Simplified function of optical lens structure. After curing, the lenses are cleaned again. After cleaning, the inking process takes place. Further reduces internal reflections and straight light. Makes the imaging of the lens closer to the ideal. At present, SIRUI has already realized the mechanization of fully automatic link application. Very efficient lens assembly is done in the 1000 class clean room. Currently, wide lenses are assembled by hand with high precision, columnar lens seen in the foreground. It's on this SIRUI 24mm f2.8 1.33x widescreen anamorphic lens. There was a time when anamorphic lenses were out of reach for civilians. First launched a cost-effective 1.33x APS-C format anamorphic lens from SIRUI. This was followed by the gradual completion of the Venus and Saturn series of 1.6x full-frame variable width cine lenses, an important paving stone for SIRUI's breakthrough in high-end optical technology. And SIRUI has also made the new Aurora 85mm f1.4 full-frame autofocus lens. Added new assembly line. I'm sure we'll see more new full-frame products in the future as well. Truly put to good use, high quality, large aperture fixed focus, available to a wider range of enthusiasts and practitioners. High performance and high quality full-frame autofocus lens further demonstrated the independent R&D and production capacity of the whole industry chain of SIRUI. Consolidated the leading position in China and the international first-class level of optical imaging benchmarks. At the same time, each assembly line has its own TV viewing area, target image inspection of lenses, inspection of optical indicators such as lens aberration, resolving power, contrast, etc., to fully evaluate the image quality of the lens. Lastly, the lenses are packaged for shipment. I hand-wrote 3 lucky cards this time too, sneaking it into the box. Good luck to anyone who buys these lenses. Every day is a movie. Last but not least, we visited the newly built showroom of SIRUI. Not only is their entire line of photographic optics on display here, there are also outdoor optics centered around lightweight binoculars. Seeing the accumulation and progress of SIRUI in the field of optics and R&D technology roots, it really strengthens our confidence in the development of domestic optics. I was invited to visit and photograph the Civic Rewards headquarters factory. It's an honor. I also hope that my sharing is a great way to help people learn. Further understanding of the current status of the development of domestic optics. Well, I will see you in the next factory tour video. Bye-bye.